Hi, this is Jackie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, this is a very long-awaited video because I've been dying to make this video. This video is on the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. Yes. Oh, I love the packaging. So now, if you know, this was like the end-all be-all palette of the year. Everybody was anticipating this palette. Everybody wanted to get their hands on this palette. The launch didn't go so great. Everybody had an issue checking out, trying to get their palette. It sold out within minutes after launch. There are people who were complaining that they were getting emails saying that the palette, you know, that they were getting their palette, but then that another email saying that their orders got canceled, and there was big drama behind this palette. But I was one of those lucky few who was able to get their hands on the palette, and my husband calls me a think that ink, and I probably am a think that ink for not ordering another one so I can sell, because right now it's going on eBay for like $200. And I mean, I could have made some extra coin, and I probably should have ordered another palette. But again, I'm happy to got my hands on. I'm happy to review this, and to everyone was lucky to purchase this without an issue. I was able to check out within maybe the first 10 minutes of this palette launching. I already had it, purchased it. I already received my email saying that, you know, congratulations, your order, blah, 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 blah. So I ordered off of Beautylish, and I think everywhere where this palette was being sold, there was some type of issue where the site was crashing, and that didn't happen to me. And I'm actually really excited it didn't. So I finally got the palette today. This is the palette I'm wearing on my eyes today. If you guys want a video tutorial of how to get this look, just comment down below, and I would definitely do a video on it. Now I'm going to swatch these and take a picture on my arm and my husband's arm, because he's of a darker complexion I am. He's got kind of like a caramel color, and I'm more light medium, so that way you'll be able to see what it looks like on different skin tones. But here are the shades. Now if you know Shane Dawson, like the names of these shades are so reminiscent to him and who he is. So like, I find this so cute. You got shades named like Ranch, My Pills, Tancoon, Diet Root Beer, Just a Theory, Spiraling, Conspiracy, Pig Mint, Food Vibes, Trisha, Cheese Dust, Flaming Hot, What's the Tea, Diet Cola, Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati, and my rights here. Now I only used 3 of the shades. I have Just a Theory all over the lid. I have Cheese Dust in like my transition area, and Flaming Hot in my crease and towards the outer corner. And then in the very inner corner I have Ranch, and on my brow bone I also have Ranch. So I mean, this is very comparable to his other palettes, and this is, you know, this is a Jeffree Star formula. It's so blendable and buttery, and the pigment is so there. It always is. And I'm excited to create more looks with this. You definitely have a whole top row full of like neutrals and safe and wearable everyday colors, and then the next 2 rows like more playful and colorful, and it definitely gets my creative juices flowing. So I kind of can't wait to play more with the fun colors and see what I come up with. So again, if you guys want me to do a video or tutorials on, you know, a look or 2 on this, just let me know. I definitely will. I think I spent $52 on this palette. I'll have the price in the video. You'll see it marked down. But and then just, you see these clouds? Like, it looks like his Blue Blood and Blood Sugar palette. How it's got like little suitcase vibes going on. But look at that dome. Ugh. But yeah. Again, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please share. Give this video a thumbs up. And thank you. Bye.